Namaskaram. Happy to see you on Yum Chanted again. New viewers, please subscribe to Yum Chanted. As always, let's cook wise, eat wise, and be calorie wise. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe that is so dear to Telugu people that songs are also written on it. It is none other than Gutti Vankai Kura, stuffed brinjal. There are so many versions of this, and each one is equally good. I'm showing you one version which is one of my favorites. My best friend's father loved this recipe. I'm making this video today in his remembrance. This recipe makes about 300 grams of stuffed brinjal. Calorie check per 100 grams is 204 kilocalories. First, let's start preparing the stuffing by roasting 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal on medium hot pan. Keep stirring them so that they get roasted uniformly. Once they are roasted, let's add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and few dried chilies. Adjust chilies according to your spice intake. When you see the seeds change to this color, add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Roast for 3 to 5 minutes and cool them to room temperature. Then grind them into a fine powder of this consistency. Neither too coarse nor too fine. You can store this for almost a month. You can also use this in other vegetable preparations. This curry powder is about 90 grams. Soak about 5 grams of tamarind in 20 ml warm water to prepare tamarind juice. Take 3 tablespoons of curry powder that we prepared earlier. Add salt to it, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and mix. Add tamarind juice, 1 teaspoon of oil and mix again. You should be able to bind this stuffing like this. Take tender and small brinjals, also known as eggplants. Slit them in this manner, keeping the stalk intact. Slit each brinjal from base to stalk. Make sure you cut in a way that brinjal remains intact and you also have room for your stuffing. Put the cut brinjals into water. This prevents discoloration. Now carefully stuff this curry powder mixture proportionately into each brinjal like this. Take care that you don't break them. There are various types of masalas or stuffings used to make Guttu Vankai. The beauty of this vegetable is that it blends well with each and every kind of stuffing. Once all the brinjals are stuffed, pour 1 tablespoon of oil into a medium hot pan and place them like this. Just turn around once to ensure brinjal is greased on all sides. Cover with a lid and cook on low to medium flame. I have started with 1 tablespoon oil. We will pour oil as and when required. Keep checking and turning them intermittently so that it is cooked evenly on all sides. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the vegetable to get cooked. Tender brinjals get cooked fast. Sprinkle some oil a few minutes before turning off. Take a small pan, pour 1 teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of cumin and curry leaves and let them splutter. Sprinkle this seasoning on our stuffed brinjal. Eat it with chapati or hot rice served with ghee. Brinjal lovers will be utterly infatuated with this traditional Guttu Vankai recipe. I'm sure those who tried this recipe for the first time will log it into their cookbooks. Enjoy this traditional recipe on any day of the week. For more such delicious recipes, please subscribe to Yumchanted. Please like, share, comment, and hit the bell icon for such yummy notifications. See you in my next video. Bye.